Welcome back to LARTE Design YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you our latest project from LARTE Design for the Porsche Cayenne S-Coupe 2025. Let's have a look together and see what we've updated for this car. So in this video I will show you the car's front, rear and the side view. We will have a closer look on the carbon fiber details for this Porsche Cayenne S-Coupe. So this video we will be starting from the rear view of this Porsche Cayenne because this is really the highlight and personally my favorite part. So first of all, have a look. We've got a full bumper diffuser in the back, and as you can see, this piece is not just about the style upgrade. This really continues the heritage of Porsche 911 GT. Now the back diffuser for this Porsche Cayenne S-Coupe with the integrated brake lights is really LARTE Design's signature, which is exclusive and something really unique. Now in addition to the back diffuser, on the sides we've got the two pipe twin muffler tips, and these definitely sharpen the car's lines and add a sporty and deep look. Now as we look further up, on the top we've got a lower spoiler, which definitely increases the downforce and complements the car's sporty look. On the top as well we've got two extra spoiler overlays, which definitely complement the car's sporty and aggressive appearance. Now as we talk about the rear, let me also show you the side updates for this Porsche Cayenne. So for this Porsche Cayenne we really made a full upgrade for the rear, but also for the side. Let me walk you through. So on the side we've also got the carbon parts. If you have a closer look, we've got the fenders and the side seals. As you can see, these elements make the car look wider and also lower, and moreover enhancing the aerodynamics and the aesthetics of this car. Now if you also have a closer look on the sides, we've got special carbon fiber elements which do add a premium and exclusive look to your Porsche Cayenne, making your car more individual and unique. Now let's have a look together and see how this looks in detail. Now as you can see, the details are all finished in carbon fiber. It's all produced, handcrafted and made in Germany in-house in LARTE Design. Now if you have a closer look, you can see that the fitment is just perfect. There are no extra gaps in between. As a LARTE Design specialist and engineers put a great emphasis on the fitment and perfection of every detail, and as you just saw yourself, there are no extra gaps, so this really fits perfectly and sits on your car. Now in addition, as we are already on the side, the perfect finish for your Porsche Cayenne Coupe would be the forged wheels, which are also produced and designed at LARTE Design in-house. Now if you take a closer look, these special wheels are timeless, stylish, durable and of course trendy. As you can see, they have some extra color finish on top. This is also something that you can really design your own in order to maybe even make a combination with the interior color, so to make your car really unique and individual. As you have already noticed, this Porsche Cayenne has a very special dark matte color, which is a special rub in order to highlight the carbon fiber elements on this car. So if you also have a look, we've got some special LARTE badging around the car to make your Porsche even more unique and to make you really feel one of a kind. Additionally, it's important to mention that all of these parts can really be ordered independently, so you can really design your Porsche Cayenne the way you want, and moreover, we deliver worldwide. Before we talk about the exterior for the front, let me actually show you and talk about the performance. So let's see what's under the hood. So here we've got the front liter V8 Porsche engine producing 474 power. Now as you can see from the inside, this hood is also made from 100% carbon fiber. So now let's have a look at the hood in detail. As you can see, its sporty design does not only give the car an imposing look, but it proudly inherits the DNA of Porsche 911 GT. If you have a closer look, you can see that each line on this hood is made specifically to make you feel the power of this car from the inside out. Now, in addition, we've also got the special air intakes, which do not only cool down the engine, but that are also functional, meaning that when the water gets in, it does not stay inside as it successfully pours out. And now I would suggest that I will show you how this actually works. So now I would like to show you that our parts are not only about the aesthetics, but are also about functionality. So let me pour the water down. Now, if you have a closer look from the front, you will see that the water successfully pours out from the outside. Now, this carbon hood does not only enhance the aesthetics, but also the functionality of your car, giving it an extra performance update. Most importantly, this hood is also, just like all the other parts on this car, certified according to Germany 2 standards, meaning that it is safe for you to drive and you can not only enjoy the aesthetics but also the functionality of this Porsche Cayenne S Coupe. It's important to mention that on this car we have got a full exposed carbon fiber look, but most importantly, these parts are also available in glossy black finish, or we can also paint them in the body color of your car, so it is really something individual. Now, in addition to this one-piece massive hood on the front, we've also got the central grille. Now, this piece definitely sets the mood and the tone. So in addition to this grille set in the middle, we've also got the air inserts on the sides. Now, these are not only about the style upgrade, as they are also for the aerodynamic upgrade. Now, as we also look further down on the bottom, we've got the front bumper overlay and the front bumper splitter. Now, these elements push your Cayenne closer to the ground, ensuring stability at high speeds, but most importantly, giving the car a more aggressive and muscular stance. So now let's actually listen to the sound of this engine on this Porsche Cayenne S Coupe. Now I will start it up. So this will be it for today's video. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed it, if you like the sound of this Porsche Cayenne S Coupe, and if you also enjoyed the Bodykit upgrades on this car made by LARTE Design. Most importantly, this Porsche Cayenne S Coupe is available for sale, so if you are interested in getting it or also ordering some separate parts for your Porsche Cayenne S Coupe, let us know and leave a request on our website, and we will be happy to assist and help you getting your upgrade for your Porsche Cayenne S Coupe and making you feel one of a kind. Thank you.